Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Rivian app vehicle connection and status, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Rivian app on your mobile device. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Log in using your Rivian account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen of the app. Locate the vehicle icon displayed on the main interface. Tap on the vehicle icon to access vehicle information. The app will attempt to connect to your vehicle. Wait for the connection process to complete. Once connected, you will see the vehicle's status displayed on the screen. Check for real-time updates on battery level and range. Review the current location of your vehicle on the map. If the vehicle is not connecting, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Restart the app if you experience issues with connection. You may also try restarting your device if problems persist. If all else fails, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app's help menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to resolve connection issues. Once everything is working, explore additional features within the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.